We have a app driven by ASACOP, a security camera indoors. It could be mounted on the wall or placed on a table anywhere imaginable. 2K. We're going to set this up in 5 gigahertz and show you what it's about. You have an instruction guide, a QR symbol to download the application, and how to get started. Let's go ahead and place in the supplied brick, the USB-A to C cable into a power source. Plugging in the camera for the first time. It's to the back of the camera. Firmly press in. The camera light comes on, and we'll go through a number of setups. We have a reset button in the front underneath the lens right here. It's calibrating.
Please configure the network.
It has talked. We open up our phone and we download the application ASACOP. We register, log in, and set up. We have add smartphone device. We press on it.
A device to be added has been found. Please click the add button to add the device.
It talks to you via the phone. Add the new. Change your 2.4 gigahertz to 5 gigahertz and sign in. It's going to configure the device in a number of seconds. It'll take about 2 minutes.
Wireless settings, please wait.
If you do not hear wireless setting and other audible tones from the camera, you're not going to set up successfully.
The wireless connection is successful.
Once you hear that, it immediately turns on and you're ready to go. Name your device, what you're using it for, and next. Motion detection, app push messages, set up, save configuration. And there we are with the strong signal, with the video, and hit finish. You have your ID, cloud, events, share, playback. And you have a picture of the area. We hit the play button and we open up. We can adjust. We have a 360-degree pan. We have a light on and off. We could take a picture. We have an SDXC card underneath as well by the reset button. Video, and we could get into the application and we have a screen enlargement. We have the Wi-Fi, the SD card, the light, the audio, a picture, a camera, and a large screen, and a phone. We're making a call to the camera, and we can hang up. We have a back out button. We go to the events. We have presets. We could put the camera into positions. So if we want the camera to be in the preset, we confirm the first one. Preset number 2, we name it, and so forth. We have a setting gear. It opens up for motion detection, sensitivity, tracking, a period, an area setting, a siren setting, white light. As you can see, it's tracking, moving as I go, trying to find the motion. We have push notifications to the phone. We have a record setting, video, record sound, timed recording. We have screen and sound settings, night vision, invert the image, anti-flicker, and device call volume. We have the PTZ controls, as you can see, medium, cruise control, calibration, and you can flip the controls. You have your storage settings, advanced settings, of status indicator, device voice prompt in languages, Wi-Fi signal, connect to the Wi-Fi, synchronization for the time zone, restart the camera, and delete and reset the camera. About the device, and you can share the device and watch anywhere in the world as long as you got a Wi-Fi connection. If you need to zoom in on the picture, you can zoom in, 10 times zoom, and you can add other cameras to the list. This is the case cam in one of the preset modes. It's your smart wireless camera for daytime and nighttime use. I hope you enjoy the product. If this security camera is right for you.